In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted messages here on Instagram. This is going to work if you've deleted the messages yourself, the other person deleted the messages, or the chat is completely gone and you don't remember the username. But if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon down in the bottom right. From here, you're going to see all of your post and profile info. Up in the top right, select the three lines and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and select Account Center up at the very top. From here, scroll down to the Account Settings tab and select your information and permissions, and then select Export Your Information. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to select Create Export, select your Instagram account, and then go ahead and select Export to Device. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and export this to an external device. It's kind of up to you. But from here, just scroll down and there's two things you're going to want to check. You're going to want to check to see what email it's going to send the file to. And then of course, you're also going to want to go ahead and select what information it's going to send you as well. Just scroll through here and just make sure, honestly, everything is ticked. But the big thing on here is going to be the messages down at the very bottom. So make sure that's on there. From here, you can back out of this section or hit save, and then just go ahead and hit start export. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time, but it's going to send you a notification to your email whenever it's ready. Essentially, just go ahead and select that, open up the file in that email, and you'll be able to see all of the deleted Instagram messages. But that is it. That is how you can restore deleted messages here on Instagram. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.